This overview will show you how to assemble and level virtually all of our wooden and upholstered bar stools. If you have any specific questions, please review your assembly instructions. First, we're going to attach the seat to the back. So you're going to take the seat, make sure there's no extra parts, and we're just going to line this up right here. Generally, you're going to have different size bolts. The longest bolt goes into the back leg. Remember, hand tighten only right now. Next, we're going to take our shorter bolt to attach our seat to our back. Remember, hand tighten only for now. Next, you're going to attach the front legs. And when attaching the front legs, remember, hand tighten only. Now we're going to attach the front stretcher. And because we left the legs loose, this is a piece of cake to put in. Make sure the holes are facing downward. Once we have this in place, we're going to fasten it with screws. Now that we have our front stretcher in place, it's time to put the side stretchers in. And because we kept our legs wobbly, they should slide right in with no problem. With our side stretchers now installed, we're going to secure them with screws. We'll now finish assembly by flipping and leveling the chair. Oh, and by the way, if you're assembling wooden stools, you're going to need to attach the seat to the frame. To level your chair, gently rock it back and forth until it's settled into place. Now the level position is established, you can finally tighten your bolts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your new furniture.